Hello students, welcome to the physics class. So in this video we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter light. So I hope you have understood the chapter very well, like a diffraction of light, what are the rules of drawing a ray diagram. Okay, now when a light moves from a rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal or away from the normal, and the special term that incident ray, refracted ray, angle of incidence, angle of refraction. So these all terms I hope you have written in your exercise book. Like in the previous class, in the video when I was teaching, I told you to write these important terms. Okay, so if you have written it, it will be very good for you because it will be revision for you, right? Now in this video today we are going to solve few exercise questions. So watch the video till the end, do not skip the video, right? And write these question answers in your exercise book. Okay, so question number 1, name the following. So these questions are already we have discussed in my previous interactive class, so still though I will like to revise it once more. So first question is that the phenomena in which a ray of light travels from one medium to another bends at the boundary between the two medium. So here answer is what? A refraction of light. That is first answer, refraction. The angle between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. The ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in another medium, that is called refractive index. Okay, next, an optical phenomena which causes an illusion of puddles of water on a heat rod, that is mirage. Next question, the angle between the incident ray and emergent ray is called angle of deviation. That is number 5, angle of deviation. Number 6, the property of splitting white light into 7 constituent colors is called dispersion. So number 6 answer is what? Dispersion. The geometrical center of spherical mirror is called pole. Now if I consider this one to be as concave mirror and this is to be a principal axis, this geometrical center is called as here pole, right? Next, a spherical mirror in which the reflecting surface is on the bulge side, that is convex. An imaginary line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of the spherical mirror is called principal axis. Just now I told, if this is a concave mirror and if this line is passing through center of curvature and pole, then this imaginary line is called principal axis. The general name of image that can be obtained on a screen, that is called a real image. Choose the correct answer. Water is optically rarer than. Now optically rarer than, the first answer is both B and C. The first answer is B and C, right? Option number D. Next, the speed of light slows down in a medium whose refractive index is higher. Number 2 answer is higher. Next, the speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is for option number C. A ray of light traveling obliquely from a rarer medium to a denser medium goes towards the normal. You see, if it is not visible in the video, you can open your copy or open your book and you will see the question from there and listen the audio from this video, right? Question number 5, if the radius of curvature is r, the focal length is given by r by 2, right? We know focal length small f equals to radius of curvature by 2. This is the formula. A ray of light passing through the focus after deflection from the spherical or the concave mirror travels parallel to the principal focus. Okay, a ray of light passing through the focus after. Now you see, the answer will be option number B, not principal focus, it will be principal axis. Okay, the answer is 6B, that is parallel to principal axis. Now what does this say, this question? If I consider this has to be as concave mirror, now this is the principal axis. Now if any ray of light is passing through focus, then it will pass parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this was the focus and it is passing parallel to the principal axis. Similarly, if any ray of light will pass parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through focus. Both are converged to each other. The image Now next question number 7. The image formed by a concave mirror is of the same size as the object if the object is placed, that means at the center of curvature. That means when an object is placed at center of curvature, if this is C, then the image and object will remain same. Okay, so this will be the diagram. That means here object and image size will be same when it will be placed at center of curvature. Next, true and false. The light travels with different speeds in different medium. That is true. Light always takes the path that requires this shortest distance. That is also true. Number 3, the perpendicular drawn to the air glass interface at the point of incidence is called incident ray. That is false. The refractive index of medium tells you how much the speed of light has reduced. That is true, right? So by refractive index we can understand that the speed of light has reduced or not. Next, number 5, a piece of glass or any other transparent material that is bounded by 2 triangular surfaces and 3 rectangular surfaces is called glass slab. No, that is false. That is prism, right? So it is false. Number 6, the angle between 2 refracting surfaces in a prism is called angle of prism. That is true. Next, number 7, a ray of light incident at the pole at an angle of 25 degree will be reflected at an angle of 25 degree. That is correct. If this is a principal axis, if a ray of light is falling on pole, so same angle it will reflect, right? If this is 25 degree, this is also 25 degree. Choose the correct option. First correct answer is denser. That is, when a speed of light slows down in a medium, that medium is said to be optically denser. That means we know the speed of light is less in denser medium. Next, number 2 answer is refracted ray. Number 3 answer is normal. That means the angle of refraction is the angle between refracted ray and normal. So number 3 answer is normal. Number 4 answer, when a ray of light travels perpendicular to the surface of separation of 2 medium, there is no refraction, that means no deviation. If a ray of light is moving straight perpendicularly, it will go straight, okay, without any movement. That is no refraction. The SI unit of refractive index is no unit. It don't have any unit, right? Unitless quantity. Next, number 6, the perpendicular distance between the incident ray and emergent ray in a glass slab is called lateral displacement. If I consider this is the glass slab, a ray of light is falling here, it will reflect and it will emerge. That means this perpendicular distance is called lateral displacement. Okay, if this is the incident ray, refracted ray and emergent ray, so when an incident ray is produced, this perpendicular distance is called lateral displacement. Next, when a ray of light is incident on the prism, violet light gets deviated the most and the red light gets deviated the less. If this is the prism, when light is falling here, 7 colors are formed here on the screen. So down is V and up is R. So violet color is bending more and red color is bending less. A ray of light passing through the dash travels back along the original path after reflection, that is center of curvature. When a ray of light is passing through center of curvature, it will move back in the same path. Okay, if I consider this to be as concave mirror, so answer is center of curvature. Now next we will move for the give reason question. Give reason for the following. A ray of light bends as light travels from one medium to another. So what is the reason? Answer you will be writing. Speed of light is different. Speed of light in different medium is different. So a ray of light bends as light travels from one medium to another. Right? After writing this one, you will continue from the question. Next question. Stars twinkle at night. Stars twinkle at night. So this answer is in your book, right? You see in the applications of refraction, that topic, you see E2 I have written here, E2, right? In this E2 answer is there. The density of atmosphere decreases with increasing altitude. Up to here you will write. Then you will write, due to this bending of light takes place. Did you see here with pen I have written, due to this bending of light takes place. Now from here continuation, as a result the star appears to change its position slightly and varying in brightness and color. This process starts their twinkling effect up to here, right? So from here to here you have to write, but make sure in between these three lines you don't have to write. Okay, first you will write the density of atmosphere up to altitude, then you will write what I have written with pen. Due to this the bending of light takes place. As a result the star up to from here to twinkling effect, right? Next question, it is difficult to aim and hit targets such as fish underwater. So number 3 answer, here you see E3 I have written here in the video. From there you can mark in your book, due to refraction a visual distortion occurs due for object underwater. This makes it difficult to know the depth of object such as fish underwater. This is the answer. Next, diamond is optically denser than glass and water. Okay, so answer you will be writing, the speed of light slows down in diamond, so it is optically denser. This answer you will write, the speed of light slows down in diamond, so it is optically denser. Answer number 5, E5, a coin placed at the bottom of the vessel appears to be raised when water is poured. So answer is here. In the activity, one activity is given in your book, you see there you will find from when to raised, up to here you have to write, right? From when to up to raised. Due to diffraction of light the object seems to be raised up. So you see more 2 questions were there. Up in the give reason more 2 questions were there. You can see in your book question number E6, prism causes dispersion of light, give reason. So answer is here, you can see all colors travel with the same speed in air or vacuum. When a white light is incident on a prism, the different colors of light gets diffracted. So from here up to prism, right? So I am not telling you the page number, you just search in your book, right? Next question we have, give reason, concave mirror is called converging mirror. Answer will be here, in concave mirror, a concave mirror is also called the converging mirror as the rays actually meet at the focus after reflection. So from here to here you need to write, and as well as you have to draw this diagram. Okay, in the next page you will find this diagram. This diagram also you have to write. Next we have distinguish the following. So reflection and refraction, first you will write a definition. The bouncing back of light in the same medium is called reflection. Refraction, the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is called a refraction, right? So you can draw the diagram of reflection. For the reflection you can draw a concave mirror, like light is falling and here it is falling like this, incident ray, one diagram of reflection. Or you can draw a plane mirror, light is falling here and reflected back. This is the normal angle of incidence, angle of reflection. This one you can draw for reflection. Next, for refraction you can draw the other diagram, that means light is traveling from rarer to denser. When light is traveling from rarer to denser, you see this is the normal, this is the refraction. This diagram you can show, right? Similarly, minimum of 2 to 3 points you will write for each and every, right? You need to put its formula, you need to put its definition. So this question you will be solving by yourself. Okay, search in a book, write the definition, write the formula or the diagram if required. Minimum 2, okay, maximum 3. What do you mean by diffraction? Give an example. So already it is given directly in the question, you see. Okay, what do you mean by optically rarer medium? Optically rarer medium means when the speed of light in air or vacuum is said to be as optically rarer medium, as its speed is higher. Okay, what happens to a direction of ray of light? It travels from denser to rarer, rarer to denser. So for this question, this is the answer. 3 diagrams you need to make. Okay, and above this diagram you will find that 3 points are given. That points also you have to write. what is the principle of reversibility? This also we have in our book. Like principle of reversibility, from here to here you need to write and draw the diagram. See figure number 5.2. Just before this page one diagram is there, that one also you have to write. So draw a diagram to show the refraction through a prism and mark its angle. So this diagram also important, you have to draw that angle. So light is falling here, is getting refracted, right? This angle of deviation, this diagram. Question number 7, omitted, no need to do. Draw an image by a convex mirror. So question number 8 also omitted, and question number 9 you have to do. Direct uses are given in your book, right? And similarly, so long answer type questions also you have to write in your copy, as well as short answer type questions. The short answer type questions you will be getting in your book itself. Okay, all the questions are there. So I think you will get all the answers. If you have any doubt, you will be asking me.